Welcome to Outgrow. In this walkthrough, we're going to focus on one of the most impactful decisions you'll make when building your interactive piece, choosing your design layout. Your layout determines how your questions and response options appear to your audience. The right layout can mean the difference between a passive viewer and an engaged converting user. Let's go through every layout option available to you, what it looks like, and how to apply it. First, log into the Outgrow Builder. You'll see options like numerical calculators, quizzes, assessments, polls, e-commerce recommendations, chatbots, giveaways, forms/surveys, and landing pages. For this video, we're selecting a numerical calculator. Right away, check out these stunning layouts in Outgrow, neatly categorized into 3 sections: classic style, real-time, and chat style. Our first layout option is the one-column layout. As the name suggests, this presents everything in a clean single-column format. The question appears at the top, and the answer choices stack neatly below it. Next up is the two-column layout. Here, your questions appear in the left column, while the answer options sit in the right column. This is excellent for content-heavy builds where you want to maximize screen real estate. The card-style layout presents each question and its options in a visually distinct card, like a deck of cards for your content. It's highly visual and very engaging. Paragraph style is a unique layout where both the question and its answer options are displayed together, inline, almost like a fill-in-the-blank or a drop-down sentence. It gives your content a natural conversational feel. One-column compact mode is a space-efficient variation of the standard column layout. It tightens up spacing between elements, allowing more content to be visible on screen without scrolling. Two-column compact mode is similar to one-column compact mode. The only difference is that here, your questions appear in the left column, while the answer options sit in the right column. Now we move into real-time layouts, and this first one is exclusive to calculators. The one-column real-time layout shows questions on the left, while your calculator results update live on the right side of the page as users answer. The section-based real-time layout takes the real-time concept further. You can group questions into distinct sections, and real-time results update on the right as users progress through each section. In the two-column real-time, questions appear in the first column, live results appear in the second column, and any media you've added displays at the bottom of the page. Real-time charts take your calculator outputs and visualize them dynamically. As users adjust their inputs, the charts update in real time, making data immediately tangible and compelling. Last but not least, the chatbot-style layout transforms your content into a familiar chat interface, where questions appear as messages on one side, and users respond by clicking answer bubbles. It's highly interactive and modern. And there you have it, a complete tour of every design layout available in Outgrow. No matter what kind of interactive experience you're building, Outgrow has a layout designed to make it shine. Start with your content type and pick the layout that feels most natural for the journey you want to create. Sign up to try it now.